Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And today we got an awesome watch face to take a look at by OW Original Watch Faces. So stay tuned and welcome to another view into Huck's world. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And today we got an awesome watch face to take a look at by OW. This guy continues to do his thing. I'm very proud of him. In the door, I'm giving him 2 thumbs up on this watch face. Now, the name of the watch face is called OW Race Hybrid. Very nice looking watch face. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get 2 looks, one for the Gear S3, which really looks nice, and then you have one for the Gear S2. They're both different. They both are going to give you a time at a glance with no problem. When the watch face is on, here's where the love is being shown at. I like that he dug in. He got really creative with this watch face. I'm loving the hands. Now the hands look stylish, adds a lot of character to the watch face. Then you have a smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, which I like a lot better than the ticking second hand. Now, right here where the hands are covering, that's going to be your month, your date, and your day. And you come down, you're going to get your digital time, so you get the best of both worlds. If you look to the right in that circle, you're going to get your battery percentage. The one to the left is going to give you your step goal completed info, which I'm liking. They're interactive too, so if you need to go in, get more information on your step status, all you got to do is single tap and you're there. Now you have other spots you can tap, so if I tap in between here, I can get my music player. Tap here, I can get my weather. I tap here, I can send a text message. I'm thinking this is a pretty nice looking watch face. That's why I say I like the way he got down on this watch face. Very nice look, right? And then if I double tap here in the center, I'm going to double tap right here though. I can change the theme and the look of this watch face, which looks really awesome. I mean, you got so many different things to change to. Just cycle through with a double tap. Let it land on the one that you like the most, or whatever it is that's color coordinated with whatever you got on for that day. This is truly an awesome look. I'm loving it. Hit me in the comment section below though. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face because it's important. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I suggest you check out this guy's lineup. He has a lot of awesome watch faces to choose from. And with that, hit the like button on the way out if you liked the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.